If you've seen ads lately about some weird pink salt trick for weight loss, you're not alone. These videos have popped up all over Facebook, YouTube, and even on sketchy websites. They show a mysterious recipe that supposedly melts away body fat without any exercise. The ads usually start with a claim like, "Doctors don't want you to know this secret," and then they drag you into a long video that talks about this so-called pink salt recipe. You'll hear phrases like hidden ingredient or ancient Himalayan formula, and they promise amazing transformations. But here's the thing, most of those videos are completely fake. Some even use AI-generated versions of celebrities. One video claimed Oprah Winfrey endorsed the pink salt method, but that's false. People on Reddit and other forums have broken it down frame by frame. The lips don't sync, the voices are robotic, and the movements feel off. They're literally faking endorsements and using deep fakes to sell you something. Now, if you keep watching, they eventually introduce a supplement, LeanDrops. That's the real product they're pushing behind all the pink salt nonsense. They hype it up using fake testimonials and promise it's the magic solution you've been waiting for. But before we go any further, here's a quick disclaimer. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk about the red flags around LeanDrops. First off, it claims to help you lose weight naturally without any dieting or harsh chemicals. But real weight loss doesn't work that way. No supplement alone can help you drop pounds unless you're also changing your diet or exercise routine. These kinds of claims are designed to sell hope, not results. Another thing that sounds reassuring at first is their mention of being made in an FDA-approved facility. But here's the catch. The FDA doesn't approve dietary supplements. That phrase is used to make it sound safer than it actually is. It's clever wording but ultimately misleading. Then they say people notice major weight loss within the first week. That's another unrealistic promise. Any weight loss in the first few days is usually just water weight. Sustainable fat loss takes time, and anyone saying otherwise is either stretching the truth or just selling you a dream. And finally, they say LeanDrops can do everything from curbing cravings to boosting metabolism, fixing your gut, calming anxiety, and giving you more energy. That's just too much for one small bottle. No real supplement can solve all those problems at once. It's the classic does-it-all trick, and it's another red flag. So should you try LeanDrops? Honestly, if something sounds too easy, too fast, and too good to be true, it usually is. Be cautious, don't fall for flashy ads, and always research before buying. And most importantly, talk to your doctor before trying anything new.